What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back with another pickup. Now, of course, today I am solo, but the mission remains the same. Today I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new pair of shoes. Well, some of you guys to a new pair of shoes, and then some of you guys are going to see these and be like, "Looks look familiar." And regardless of which one you are, you're not wrong. Today's pair of shoes we're unboxing are a pair of Air Max Pulse Roam. This is basically an updated version of a previous shoe, and that previous shoe is, of course, the regular Air Max 720s, which were released back in 2018 for $150. So let's take a look. All right, first thing you notice when you open this box, you're gonna see the tissue paper resembles the box, which is pretty cool. Next, you're gonna notice this tag right here, which lets you know that this product is made with at least 20% of recycled content, which is pretty good. I love when they upsize and do what they can to help the environment. Now, I'm gonna be honest, man, because that's why you guys watch me. That and the quality. I'm not feeling this shoe, and when I say I'm not feeling this shoe, I mean I'm not feeling the shoe that was given to me, because the quality for the price is just not there. I don't know how this passed quality control. Now, I may be bugging out, but for $170, there's no reason for an Air Max should be smudged right here. Like, these are the 270 Air Max. Now, if this just happened to be on the inside of the shoe, I probably wouldn't be making a big deal about it, but it's right here. I don't understand. Like, and that's one thing. The other thing is that I don't know what this is right here that's on the laces. It's like this little, I tried to clean it up just a little bit, but then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it to you guys just the way it is. I don't know what this is. It could be makeup. It could be the rub off from this, but I don't know how. Or it could be that emoji that everybody uses. I'm hoping it's not that, but you never know, man. I just don't understand. For $170, there's no reason for this to be the product that you get. I don't know how it passed QC. Alright, so I don't want to dwell on this, but I just want to get a little closer so you guys see what I'm talking about. Look at that smear, man. Like, how can this pass QC? These are $170, man. These were not $40 or a refurbished pair. This particular style just came out, so I don't understand, but it is what it is, man. Let's just not dwell on this, because the experience I got may be different from the experience you guys will get. So if you happen to get these pairs of shoes, then what you're going to notice is that the sole has the traditional waffle-like pattern for the traction. I'm okay with that. I mean, it is part of Nike's heritage, so it is what it is. I'm perfectly fine with that. Now, if you look a little bit closer, you're going to see Air Max right here in the bubble. And if you see there's some numbers right here, this represents the size for your shoe, as well as the bubble size. And so basically what this says is W11 through W12, which is women's. And then you're going to see men's. Do you see men? Men 10. It should say 9. It's a 9 through 10. So basically that tells you the size if this was a men's, if this was a women's, and that corresponds with, most of the time corresponds with the sole of the shoe, which is right here. You see that women's 11.5 to 12, men's 10 through 11. That's basically what that is. It just tells you that this sole goes with this one. So, but in case you didn't know, a little fun fact. Now on the inside, you're gonna notice it says Air Max. You guys see that? Air Max. That's throughout the whole inside of the shoe. Now it has a little, how can I explain this? So you don't necessarily have to lace these up tight, because there's no give, there's no flexibility. Let me focus. There's no like type of flexibility right here. It's like a cast-like fit right here. Now, the upper part of the shoe is made with synthetic overlays as well as leather, so it's super duper great quality. Now, they classify these shoes as a runner. I don't necessarily agree with that. I think these are more of a lifestyle. These aren't super duper comfortable in my opinion. These get the job done if you're wearing these every day casually, but right off the bat, this Air Max is not comfortable. You're gonna have to break these in. Now, if you had a pair of 270s, then you already know how these feel, because this is basically the same shoe. I mean, from here down, it's the same design as the 270s, and same thing for the sole going this way as well. So you got a pair of 270s, you know what I'm talking about. It's not bad, but it's not great. Now, of course, if you do want a great pair of Air Maxes that are super duper comfortable, You don't get the pair that I have in the back, which are these, which are the Air Max 720. Now, these make it look a little different because these are actually the OBJ collab, which don't have laces, as you can tell right here. Now, this, of course, has way more air. It's the 720. You guys see that? 720. Now, I do not quite understand why these don't feel the same as on the heel. I can understand when you get past the heel, so this part of the shoe is not as responsive. This is not as responsive as this, but I guess it has to do with exactly how much air is in it, because I guess when you put pressure right here, it pushes it up right here, I guess. I don't know the science behind that, but if you want to get a super prepared, comfortable Air Maxes, this is probably the shoe you want to go with. But if you want to get something that's stylish, classic colorway, hey, go with these, man. You may have a better experience than me. Now, would I buy these again for $170? Nope. I would probably go $100 to $120 is my max, just because these aren't really that comfortable. I mean, this is a lifestyle shoe, so I guess it all depends on your lifestyle. Now, as far as putting these on with no hands, yeah, you can slip these on with no hands. And like I said, you're gonna have to really wear these, I'd say at least 4 or 5 times for you to really feel the responsiveness of these shoes. And then, it won't be that bad. Now, in comparison to my TWs, these are slightly less comfortable. In comparison to my 720s, not even close. Now, you can slip these off just as easy to slip them on. Like I said, man, I wear my true size. It's not bad, but teaching my daughter how to talk on the phone with no hand. You got it, babe. You got it. Show them how it's done. You got it. Take your time. Take your time. Yep. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now your hands free. Now you're doing your thing. That's what they talking about right there. What they talking about, baby? What they talking about? The price ain't right. We ain't making it move. We ain't shaking nothing if it ain't right.